More Americans than ever, maybe you, are caring for both their children and at least one aging parent.
And that stress is really taking its toll on the so-called sandwich generation. So Sheila Gray joins us now with some helpful tips in tonight's Family 411. Sheila?
Jack and Deborah, the National Center on Caregiving says it's common for caregivers to experience stress and even depression. I talked with some local women who know that stress, and they've all found different ways of dealing with it.
The Pew Research Center says nearly half of American adults in their 40s and 50s have a parent who's 65 or older, while either raising a young child or financially supporting a grown child.
How's basketball?
Dr. Julie Schaefer knows the burden of the sandwich generation. Julie has 3 sons, one in college, a mother with Alzheimer's, and a dad who often needs help caring for her.
It's very stressful.
As long as I was standing, I was available. So, because my health was certainly better than theirs.
Jenny McDougall started caring for her parents while still working full-time as a teacher. Her 92-year-old mother lives in a senior facility, but Jenny helps with her medicine, laundry, bathing, and transportation several times a week.
She's given all of her time to taking care of me, and I'm very appreciative, and I hope she knows that.
The National Center on Caregivers says 75% of sandwich generation caregivers are women. Most work full-time, and many routinely neglect their own needs.
They don't go to the doctor then when they should. They don't get the tests run that they should. They don't exercise like they should.
Julie's not just living it, she also sees it in her medical practice.
Oh, I see a lot of patients with anxiety, insomnia.
And you just make emotional decisions.
Kathy Smith started a business after taking care of her parents and aunt. Seniors Resource Hub has checklists for choosing care facilities and downsizing and moving.
Everybody seems to start from ground zero.
And her eHealth repository puts all of a senior's medical information, contacts, even important documents together in one place, saving time at the doctor or hospital.
They can hang it on a flash drive on their keychain.
Getting organized was a way for Kathy to manage her role as caregiver. Jenny says a support network helped her.
I think I've been a beneficiary of how I raised her.
Despite the stress, these women treasure the time with their loved ones.
For me, it's a way to pay them back for all they've done for me.
Jenny McDougall is especially grateful for the time with her mother, Maybelle. Her mom passed away this week. All 3 women in the story say having a support network is crucial. And Dr. Schaefer says regular exercise is her #1 way of fighting stress and anxiety. You can find links to the Seniors Resource Hub products and resources for caregivers on our website, fox45now.com.